Hi Bearcats. This video is going to show you how to renew your housing once it opens. There are two phases of renewal. The first phase is renew your same space, which will be March 6th and 7th. And the second will be renew anywhere or utilize the room change. And that'll be March 8th through the 10th. What you're going to do is you're going to log into your My Same account and click on the housing portal link. Once you're within the housing portal, you're going to apply here. You'll pick academic year 23-24. You're going to work your way through the same steps. It'll pre-populate the information that you had put when you originally applied for housing. What's new this year is that there will be a pet-friendly question on the questionnaire. Upperclassmen who are going to be living in Bearcat Village, buildings A through I, or Copper Village, or the San Jacinto Studios can register a household pet and bring it on campus. If you're interested in registering for a pet to join you on campus, or you just want to indicate that if your roommate has one, you're okay with it, you're going to indicate pet friendly and then work your way through the other questions. Hitting save and continue at the bottom of each one. If you don't want to live with anybody that's got a pet, just make sure that you indicate not pet friendly. The ally identification will indicate that there. Both of those are going to be on the roommate matching or on your room selection profile, so that you can see if your potential roommate is going to have pets, interested in having pets, and or an ally. This is your contract. If you click on the link, it's going to take you to the contract for that year. You'll also receive the contracts via email once you finish the application. And then here is your academic year confirmation. Save and continue. And then you'll go to your application status page. Okay, after that application status page, you're going to come to, during phase one, you'll see the room renewal. So you'll select your current booking if you want to participate in phase one. You will save and continue to lock that room in for the upcoming academic year. Sign your contract. And that's going to be it. You will save and continue through here, land on the application status page, and that's it for phase one. Okay, so if you want to renew in phase two, which is renew to any available space or utilize the room change, if you've already renewed somewhere on campus in phase one, you're going to go to My Sam. You're going to go to apply here. You're going to go into 23-24 application. Work your way through the steps until you get to the room selection step. It's a little slow to load sometimes. We're gonna pick a building. We're gonna go to the room info. This will give you the information on anybody else who's picked that room. At this time, there's nobody else in that room. But if you wanted to view their profile, you could there. So you're going to add it to your cart. You're going to pick which bed space you want. assign the bed space. This information is because I'm utilizing the room change because I already have one from phase 1. If this is a new room, you won't see this current room information. Save and continue. Once again, the contract page, and then the confirmation. Once you get to the application status, you'll see that your booking information. If you want to utilize the room change and shop for another room, you'll select this option right here. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Residence Life office. Thank you.